family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious side dish, potatoes al cilantro, that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious potato al cilantro, these are my ingredients. I have salt, garlic powder, black pepper, onion powder, butter, cilantro, and of course our mini potatoes. This is everything we need to enjoy a delicious and with a lot of flavor of the cilantro. Let me tell you, you're going to love this recipe. So let's get started. I want to start with this amazing cilantro potato recipe. Look at this. I have my spices here. I have some onion, dry onion, diced, black pepper, garlic powder, and salt to taste. I am using half a teaspoon of all these spices. This is going to be just enough. Of course, salt is to taste, my friends. You add as much or as little you want. And here, let me show you the minced dried onion, of course, the black pepper, the garlic powder, and salt. This is ready. All my spices are ready. So let's continue. We are going to continue with the cilantro. This is going to give such a delicious and amazing flavor to these little potatoes. Believe me, all those little stems are going to release the oil and the flavor. I'm going to reserve a little bit for the plate decoration. But this is amazing. Look at this. And now I have rinsed the potatoes really good, and now I'm ready to just slice them in half. The reason that I am slicing them in half so that they really absorb all the flavors that I'm going to add to the potato, especially the cilantro. So here I'm just dicing away. And let me tell you, this recipe is very easy to prepare. You could combine any kind of fish, shrimp, meat, poultry, you decide. I have everything ready, and let's go to the stove. Look at this. All the ingredients ready to prepare these amazing little potatoes. And of course, I added 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and I'm putting the potato facing down so that they get nice and golden brown, nice and crispy. That's exactly how you want to enjoy these mini potatoes. I'm going to be very careful, making sure that they're all facing down. And I am going to cook them for about 5 minutes, just like this. Look at this. Cover them, leave them there for about 5 minutes, uncover, and then flip them over so that you see the color of the potato. Now I am ready to add the 3 tablespoons of butter. Cover it, let it cook for at least a minute or two. When the butter has dissolved completely, then you are ready to start adding the spices. And I am cooking this in medium heat, medium low heat. This is the way you cook these small potatoes. You really want the potatoes to absorb all those amazing flavors. So cook them in medium-low heat. I'm adding the spices. I'm going to cover it for another 1 or 2 minutes. And they're going to be cooking. They're going to be getting golden brown. And now, of course, I am ready to mix everything. Incorporate all those flavors that are on the bottom. Flip them over so they start absorbing all those amazing flavors, and they get really covered with the flavors of the butter, all the spices, and of course the oil. I use very small amount of oil, but let me tell you, these potatoes always come out so delicious. Once you flip them over, they're going to be almost al dente. They cook really fast. It doesn't take too much for them to cook, and especially if you cover them. If you cover them, they're gonna cook even faster. Once everything is flipped over, I am going to start adding the cilantro right on the top. But first, let me show you from close up how crispy they look, how golden brown they look. Now I'm spreading the cilantro right on the top. When you add the cilantro, cover it and turn off your stove. And then you are ready to enjoy these amazing potatoes al cilantro. You're going to love this recipe. Look at this. Make sure you cover them for 1 or 2 minutes, turn off the stove, and you're ready to plate. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love the recipe, like, subscribe, and share. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. And thank you so much for being part of my family, for leaving all those amazing messages. Thank you. I really love reading all the messages. Well, here I'm going to add a little more of the cilantro right on the top, and I am ready to enjoy. I'm going to continue adding the rest and make them. Enjoy them with your beautiful family. I'm sure you're going to love them. Look at this. I am ready to pour a little bit of the cilantros on the top, and I'll see you in a bit. With this mini potatoes al cilantro. Make them, enjoy them with your beautiful family. Of course, you could combine this side dish with any type of meat. I'm sure you're going to love them. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. They feel so soft and of course delicious. Excuse me. So delicious. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you didn't, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.